In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Fresha, giving you a full guide for 2025. Whether you're new to the platform or just want a refresher, I'll walk you through each step to ensure you have a seamless experience. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your Fresha partner account. Simply open your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't been here in a while. It's always helpful to know your way around. Next, direct your attention to the calendar tab situated on the main menu bar. It's intuitive to find, featuring a little calendar icon which makes it stand out. Give it a click. Now, this calendar is your central hub for all appointments. From here, you'll have access to a wide array of scheduling options, so it's important to know this area well. With the calendar laid out in front of you, scroll or navigate to the date with the appointment linked to the invoice you want to send. Once found, click on the desired appointment. The appointment detail view is tailored to give you all the information at once, which makes this process not only efficient but also very user-friendly. Within the appointment details, you'll see a button that says View Sale. Clicking on this will open a detailed window of the sale associated with the appointment. This is an important step as it lays out all the transaction details you'll need to double check before moving on to the next phase. After reviewing the sale details, notice there's an option button typically represented by 3 dots or a small gear icon. This is your gateway to additional actions you can take. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with further options. From the drop-down menu, select Email. This action will prepare the invoice for sending directly to your client. In this section, you might see a templated message body where you can add any personalized notes or leave as is. Be sure to verify that all client information, such as the email address, is correct. Finally, after confirming all details and making any additional edits, click the Send button. This final step will dispatch the invoice directly to your client's inbox. Congratulations, you've just sent an invoice using Fresha. Knowing how to efficiently send invoices is crucial for managing client relationships and executing business smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to bookmark it and refer back whenever you need a quick refresher. Thanks for joining me today, and happy invoicing!